The Celtic Pantheon, a complex and multifaceted entity, is often divided into three primary categories: the sovereign gods, warrior gods, and fertility gods. This tripartite division not only reflects the social organization of Celtic society, but also serves as a reflection of the natural world and the cosmos. Each level within this division plays a vital role in maintaining the balance and order of the universe. At the apex of the Celtic pantheon stand the sovereign gods, powerful and wise deities who embody the principles of law, order, and sovereignty. These gods are often associated with kingship, as they are believed to have established the laws and rules that govern society. They are revered for their wisdom, justice, and authority, serving as models for human leaders to emulate. The sovereign gods are often linked to the earth, symbolizing stability and fertility, and are associated with the cycles of time and the movement of the stars. Below the sovereign gods in the tripartite structure are the warrior gods, fierce and powerful deities who embody the qualities of strength, courage, and martial prowess. These gods are often associated with protection, battle, and victory, serving as guardians of their people and their lands. They are revered for their bravery and skill in combat, and their stories are often told in epic tales of heroism and conquest. The warrior gods are often linked to the forces of nature, such as thunderstorms and earthquakes, highlighting their connection to the raw power of the universe. At the base of the tripartite division are the fertility gods, deities who personify the cycles of nature and embody the principles of growth, abundance, and fertility. These gods are often associated with agriculture, animals, and the cycles of life and death. They are revered for their power to bring forth new life and abundance, and their stories are often told in tales of birth, growth, and harvest. The fertility gods are often linked to the earth and its cycles, symbolizing the ever-changing nature of life. Together, these three levels of the Celtic pantheon reflect a worldview that emphasizes balance, harmony, and the interconnectedness of all things. Each level plays a crucial role in maintaining cosmic order and ensuring the well-being of both individuals and society as a whole.